In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 various ways you can start making passive income online. And if you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification button to get notified of my future videos from this channel. And also, if you love this video, please remember to share this video to allow others find various ways they can start making passive income online. So in today's video, I want to share with you 4 different ways you can start making passive income online. But before we do this, I want to clear out a very popular misconception I see people making online. There's difference between passive and active income. Passive income is work you put in and you reap the reward down the road, while active income is you work and you get paid for your work every day. So passive income, why people think that passive income is just a way to make money without putting in effort or time. It is a wrong misconception, because to start making passive income, you need to put in time upfront, either time or money upfront. So there is time or money investment that is required upfront to make this work. But once you when things start rolling, you notice that the reward of your work become passive. So in today's video, I will share with you 4 various ways you can start making money down the road by just creating a passive income opportunity for yourself. And also stay to the end of this video, because I'm also going to show you a bonus strategy you can make money online or offline doing passive income. So let's get started with today's video. The first way you can start creating passive income is by creating YouTube videos. So YouTube video is a very good way to make money online passively, but to get this going, you need to put in the work upfront by creating these videos. And when you create these videos, build up your channel, and your channel start gaining momentum, YouTube would start monetizing your channel by placing relevant ads on top of your YouTube video. So once you got about 1,000 subscribers and up to 4,000 views on your YouTube channel, you can apply to YouTube ad revenue program, and YouTube start monetizing your channel by showing these ads on your channel. So when these ads are, despite they look tiny every day, it's a very good way to start making money passively online. For example, if you build up your channel and your channel starts producing about 20,000 or even 10,000 views per day, from YouTube monetization, you can earn at least $20 to $30 per day passively, and about $1,000 per day passively, just sharing your YouTube videos, just sharing things you love on YouTube, and building a fan base that will love hearing from you from YouTube. So this is a very good way to make passive income, in the sense that you put in the work upfront, but once your channel start building momentum, YouTube start placing ads on your channel, and from there you can start making passive income just from your YouTube channel. The second way to create a passive income is by starting a blog. Blogging is a very good way to make passive income, but people think that blogging is too tedious or too strenuous. But when you put in the work to make this work, to create your blog, to post consistently and daily on your blog start gaining momentum from search engine optimizations and from Google and from other social media networks. And when people start visiting your blog and your blog start growing, you can make money from your blog by recommending affiliate products, digital products, selling advertising on your product on your blog, and by doing consultations on your blog. So right here, smart passive income is a good example of a blogger that has grown his blog from absolutely $0 a month to 1,000 and $1 million blog per year. So, and these are income reports of smart passive income, which shows you that it is possible to make money from blogging, and these $1,000 are just made from this one blog. So blogging is a very good way to make passive income online, but you have to put in the work to create your blog, to post regularly on your blog, and to make things work. But if you put in the work and the investment to make things work, you notice that your blog starts growing and you start making passive income just from your blog. And smart passive income is a good example that shows us that it is actually possible and doable to make money from blogging. So if you have an idea you want to share, a topic you love so much, you can create a blog around the topic and share your idea, grow your blog. It's going to take you time for a while, but when your blog grows up to a substantial level you will notice that your blog can produce passive income for you. Now, and the third way to make passive income is by creating a digital course. So creating a digital course is a very good way you can make money online, or you can make money by doing passively, but you need to put in the work to create this course. So while others think that creating course is very hard to do, it's actually not hard like that to do, but it requires effort on your side at the beginning of the stage to research topic on your niche, to create this course and to promote this course. But when you create this course and promote it, this course has the ability to generate passive income for you regularly. And a good way to start is on this site called udemy.com. And udemy.com, in fact, I'm really thinking of starting a course or creating a course on Udemy, because Udemy is a very good platform to start a course or to create a course as a beginner. And what Udemy does is that when you create this course, Udemy has thousands and millions of students on the platform. And if you create a course, Udemy will help you promote the course, send traffic to the course, and literally let other students subscribe or buy your course for more for the price you are selling it. So Udemy is a very good way you can start creating a Udemy is a very good platform you can create a course, and there are thousands of categories on Udemy where you can create these courses. Just find a passion where you love and what you love doing and create a course in this niche, in this category, and Udemy will help you promote this course to the relevant and to the needed students for your course. So start a course today. You can do it, and it's possible to make passive income just from your course. Yes, and the fourth way you can make passive income is on a site called patreon.com. So, what is Patreon? Patreon is a site that supports creators. Patreon is a site where you can ask for donations for your creative work. Now, Patreon is a good site for content creator. If you are a content creator, a podcaster, video creator, a musician, video artist, or if you are a writer or a creator of any type, there is an audience waiting for you on Patreon to promote your work. And what Udemy does is that Udemy allows you to set a subscription to allow your fans to support your creative works. So if you on so Patreon, sorry, so you can make passive income on Patreon by a setting up a donation where your where your fans and your content lovers would support all your creative works. And Patreon allows you full control of your content, because you set in the price, you set everything you want to do, and Patreon just basically promote it for you, and you make money from Patreon. There are over 100,000 creators using Patreon, and Patreon is a good way to make passive income just by sharing your creative work. Again, you need to create in the work, you need to put in the work out, but after creating it and putting it out on Patreon, Patreon promotes it for you and allows you make passive income from it. So these are four various ways you can make passive income in 2019. And a bonus tip on how you can make passive income in 2019 is by investing in real estate. Now, real estate is an offline method, but it is a very good way to create passive income. Because why? Because properties appreciate every year, and if you can buy into a property and you rent out this apartment, rent out these properties out, you can generate passive income from these properties every month or every year based on your agreement with your tenants and your mortgage and your real estate broker. So if you can start small, buy an apartment, buy a building, buy an house, rent it out, and you can make money passively from doing this. Now it may take some years down the line to be able to pay out your mortgage, but once your mortgage is fully paid, everything that comes out of the real estate is yours. You can use it and reinvest it into buying another real estate, and within a period of 2, 3, 5, 10 years, you notice you have real estate everywhere from you and generating passive income from you. A good example of someone doing this is Grant Cardone. Grant Cardone has been able to build up millions of real estate empire just and it generates passive income from this every year. So guys, you can do it, and these are ways you can create passive income in 2019. Now, if you also want to learn how to create passive income by doing affiliate marketing online, check the link down below. The first link down below for the free training, for my training guide that shows you how you can create passive income doing affiliate marketing. Passive income is a very good way to make money online, and both passive and active require effort down the lane, but you ought to invest your effort creating passive income, because while you do it in active income, you get paid once for your work, but when you put in that same effort in passive income, you get paid over and over and over again for the same work and the same effort you put in. So guys, check down the link down below for my free guide that shows you how you can start making money passively share doing affiliate marketing. And if you love this video, please kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button to get notified of future videos from this channel. And also remember to share this video. Remember to share this video and click the like button to allow other people see this video, share this video, and also learn how to create passive income online. So which of the ways do you love, and what other passive income ideas do you love or do you want to share? Let me know your thoughts in the comment below section, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.